Hi guys, I'm Cynthia. I'm really excited today to tell you about Clinical Discoloration Repair Serum from Paula's Choice. I love to be outside. I love to ski and bike and hike, and even though I'm really religious about using SPF 30 or greater every day, whether it's rain or shine, I still sometimes have issues with dark patches that show up from sun damage, both on the sides of my face and on my hands. And I've tried a lot of different products to try to get rid of those, but nothing has worked nearly as well as this Clinical Discoloration Serum. It has tranexamic acid and bakuchiol. Both of those work to prevent the dark spots from coming to the surface in the first place. And then it also has 5% niacinamide in it, and that breaks up the dark spots and visibly fades them. It has a really light lotion texture that absorbs really fast. I really like that. I use 1 pump on each hand and rub it in, and then 1 pump for each side of my face. I use it day and night, and during the day I always follow with the SPF 30+, and also if I'm going to be outside I make sure I wear a hat. This discoloration serum is yet another reason why Paula's Choice is my choice.